Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So I apologize in advance that this video is kind of a short one compared to all the other ones. As you can see behind me, it's because pretty much what we did this weekend is sand the crap out of this car. There's still a little bit that I have to do. I gotta fix some imperfections in it and all that, but other than that, most of what I did this weekend is just sand. So as of right now, pretty much the whole car is sanded. The trunk, I have not gotten to sanding that yet, but we will get there pretty soon. As of right now, what we need to do to it is finish rebuilding the rear bottom parts of the quarters. We have to make some rockers, which we will do at some point. That's not really a high priority though. I can drive around without those. We have to finish filling all of the holes in the door and back here. We got to throw some body filler on there. We also have to body fill this area right here, the little area that whatever happened to it, I have no idea. I have to get all that filled and done. Stick around for next week's video where we are putting the windshield in, probably throwing the gas tank back in the car because we got that all done. Hopefully within the next week my wheels should be back. The whole front of the car should be back. So hopefully, I'm thinking maybe next week we're gonna have all those pieces. I'm not sure yet, but it is definitely a possibility. Thank you all for joining me in this video, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. We are currently throwing the HVAC box back in the car. And now that we fixed the AC evaporator core, well, replaced it, hopefully now we should have working AC and stuff once we get all that sorted out with the Freon and everything. If anyone watching this is putting their HVAC box back in their car, this is how the hoses are supposed to be. We had ours a little bit different, and we had to take it out and adjust them. But this is just for reference on how they're supposed to be, and then they go right into the car. And then this other one goes through straight into the engine bay, as do these. So that's just if you're doing this, and a little reference for you. Yeah. It finally doesn't look so empty in here anymore. I mean, it still does, but it doesn't. Got the back all primered up where the rust is, so now we can start sealing all this back up. Alright, what I'm going to do right now is start the long and gruesome process of sanding this car down. I'm going to start with the roof and probably work my way down. As you can see, we have this white stuff all over the car. This is like epoxy based paint, and we have that over almost all of the open rust areas, so that'll keep them from rusting further while they are not painted. And it will also go as another thing to protect those areas from rust. So I'm going to start on the roof, and let's start this whole process of sanding the car. I have the antenna motor out. Well, it's not out. I'm about to take it out. And this is a weird setup. Alright. I think I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh, wait a minute. Hose for it. I don't know why there's a hose. Yeah, it is. Alright. Just gonna come sit over here then. Alright, so right now I'm going to begin the process of restoring my dashboard. So what I have to do is first what I'm going to do is take a Dremel with a sandpaper bit on it and flatten out all of these areas. So as you can see, it's moved up. It's I don't know exactly how to explain it, but stuff on top of the dashboard, it comes up. So what I have to do is sand that back so it kind of creates a divot and goes in. And then after that, what I will do is we will fill that with, I don't remember what it was called. We're going to fill it with something. I don't exactly remember what it was, but we're going to fill it. And then after that, I have to get padded dash filler that I'm going to put over the top of these cracks. And then eventually we are going to paint the whole thing so it doesn't look all crappy and faded like it does right now. So let's restore this dashboard. So we have gotten a few new parts. This is the new rear sticker for the car. This sticker is also reflective. I took it out earlier, but you can't really see it because there's a cover over the front of it too. That probably won't go on the car until after it gets painted, but I'm really excited about this because this is going to look super cool at night. At night, if someone's behind me, it's basically going to light up the entire Supra logo, and it's just going to look really cool. So I'm super excited about this, and I'm really happy that I got this. What I did notice is it does look a little bit different than an OEM, but not too much. I think it's just because the lines around the lettering have to be a little bit thicker for the reflective material. But other than that, it looks pretty awesome from what I can see of it, and I'm super excited to get this out. Alright, it's time to wrap up the video. I know this was kind of a short one, but we really weren't doing too much, and I don't want to just sit here and show you guys me sanding a car for longer than I already did, because let's be honest, sanding a car is probably just as boring as watching paint dry. So yeah, we have most of it done though. Most of the sanding's done, just gotta get rid of a few imperfections, and other than that, it's really coming along. We're really close, and I have some big things planned for the first ever Cars and Coffee that this thing goes to. Should be a really cool video that I do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.